All right, we're going to continue practicing comparing and ordering numbers, but today we're going to put them into word problems. So you're not just going to see numbers and then have to compare and order them. They're going to be in a word problem and possibly even on a number line. So let's look at this first question. It says, which statement correctly compares 273,085 and 273,583? So my two numbers that I'm comparing, and we're always going to plug them into a place value chart. So create your place value chart at home on a piece of paper or a whiteboard, and we're going to plug these numbers in. So because I don't want to mess up, I'm going to start with my ones. And then I'm going to plug in my other number. All right, 273,085 and 273,583. Okay, I want the statement that correctly compares these two numbers. So when you're comparing them, you're going to tell me which one is greater or which one is less than. So 273,000, 273,000. All of these are the same digit in the same place value. So we look at our 100,000s, it's the same, so we go to our 10,000s. Our 10,000s is the same, so we go to our thousands. Our thousands is the same, so we go to our hundreds. We have two separate digits here. And 0 is less than 5, or 5 is greater than 0. So I want us to practice writing out those two numbers, showing both comparisons. So 273,085, 273,583. And then I'm going to put this other number first, 273,583, 273,085. So there's my two numbers. Each one of them is first, depending on the comparison. Remember, we said 0 is going to be less than 5, so that means that 273,085 is going to be less than 273,583. Well, I have this number first now. 273,583 is going to be greater than 273,085. So now you just need to look at your answer choices and choose which one you think which one would be it. 273,085 is less than 273,583. Did we say that as an option? We did. I'm going to put a little check by it because we need to check all of our answers. 273,085 is greater than 273,583. We know that is not true. 273,583 is equal to 273,085. No, they are not equal. Remember, the 0 in our hundreds and the 5 in our hundreds make that not true. 273,583 is less than 273,085. We know that's not true. The only one that completely matches one of these is letter A. And we're going to look at one more card, and then I'm going to give you a chance to practice doing this. So let's look at this one. This one doesn't have any numbers. This is just a number line. Let's look at this one. According to the number line, which statement correctly compares points F and G? Well, F and G. On a number line, let's pretend this was the number 10 starting point, and this is 20. So on a number line, you read your number line like this, right? This is going to be your smaller number here on the left, and as you move towards the right, this is going to be a bigger number. So what do you know about F and G? Well, if this is our number line, F is going to come before G. So would that make F greater than or less than G? F is going to be less than. or G is going to be greater than F. F and G are equal. If they were equal, they would be on top of each other. They are not on top of each other. F is greater than G? No, because this is 10. This is 20. As you move across the number line, your numbers are going to get bigger. So F is not greater than G. G is greater than F. As you move across your number line, your numbers get bigger. G is going to be bigger than F, or G is less than F. As we move across our number line, our numbers get bigger, and G is going to be towards the end of the number line, meaning it's going to be bigger than F. That is not your answer. Your correct answer would be C. So now you're going to have some time to practice. Practice 2 more questions similar to what we just did.